Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Move to iOS on Android and starting iPhone setup until the Move data from Android screen appears. Enter the temporary code shown on the iPhone into Android. This creates a private Wi-Fi link. Once done, pick what to transfer: contacts, messages, photos, and more, and tap Continue. You do this now because the private link avoids cloud syncing delays. Make sure battery and Wi-Fi are stable so the session won't drop midway. You watch the progress meter as data moves. Patience matters because media can be large. While the transfer runs, avoid opening other apps or switching networks, since that can break the private connection. Once a category finishes, the app shows check marks. Make sure messages and contacts synced correctly because they map differently between Android and iPhone. If you need to pause, don't force close either app. Let the device idle until it completes to prevent corruption or duplicate entries. You complete setup on the iPhone, sign into your Apple ID, and enable iCloud to keep contacts and photos synchronized going forward. Make sure to reinstall any paid Android apps manually. Move to iOS suggests equivalence but cannot transfer licensed apps. Once finished, verify messages and media. If something's missing, you can retry the Move to iOS process for only the affected categories or use a computer backup method. If problems persist, restart both devices and check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.